So I picked up this furniture moving kit. I'm going to use it to try to move a piano. But I just wanted to give you an example of what comes in the box. So you get these 4 wheels. And each wheel has this little pad here you could put on here. And it also has these little blocks so that you could set it on there. So you have something that has a smaller leg, for instance. You get 4 of those. You get this here. This goes up under the furniture to lift it, to pry it up. And then you get this attachment to that as well, so you could extend it. Put it under the furniture and then lift it. Then you get a pair of gloves. And you get 3 more of those wheels. And what's also nice about those wheels is it has the locking feature right here. And they have 5 wheels on each one of these. So you have 4 corners. You can move that furniture with ease, be able to load it up on to your vehicle or truck.